Hello, my name is Abdullah. Today I solve LeetCode problem number 2057. What is question say? Smallest index with equal weight. Given a zero index integer array nums, return the smallest index I of nums such that I more 10 equal nums of I, or if such index does not exist, so I return -1. For example, given input nums 0, 1, 2, output 0. How? So first I index equal to 0, 0 more 10 equal nums of I, value equal to also 0. So it is true. And second, I equal to 1, I mod 10 equal 1, so 1 equal nums of 1, nums of 1 also 1, so it is also true. Second index, I equal to 2, 2 mod 10, 2, 2 equal to num also 2 value, and all index have I mod 10 nums of I, मतलब all index all are true, so we return the smallest index of 0. Smallest index 0 is equal to 0 output. For example of second, input nums 4, 3, 2, 1, output 2. How? So first index I equal to 0, 0 mod 10 equal to 0, nums of 0, value is equal to 4, 0 not equal to 4, so it is false. And second, I is equal to 1, 1 mod 10 equal to 1, 1 nums of 1 is equal to 3, I not equal to 3, it is also false. And I index I equal to 2, 2 mod 10, 2 equal nums of 2, nums of 2 value is equal to also 2, so 2 equal to 2, it is also true, so return smallest index this, so return 2, so answer 2. So my approach is single for loop. I will code for loop int I equal to 0, I nums dot size I plus increment. So if condition I module 10 equal nums of I, I return I or nums of I, both are same answer, not different. You are also return I and nums of I. If not that, if such index does not exist, so I return -1. I will check test case is pass, and so I explain the time complexity. Time complexity is O n because single for loop, and space complexity is uh, O1 because no extra memory use. So I submit this question. What would you say? This question will accepted. Thank you so much.